What if I told you that two simple spices sitting quietly in your kitchen right now could be doing something extraordinary inside your body? Repairing your DNA, fighting the very cells that threaten your health, and calming inflammation at its root. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this isn't hype, and it's not some expensive supplement or secret formula. It's something ancient, something natural, and something your body already knows how to use, if you give it the chance. Most people think health is complicated. They chase diets, pills, and quick fixes, but they overlook the powerful compounds hidden in everyday foods. And the truth is, your body is constantly under attack, from toxins, stress, poor diet, and environmental damage. Over time, that damage affects your cells, your DNA, and your overall health. But here's the good news. Nature has already provided tools to help your body repair, defend, and heal itself. In today's video, we're going to uncover two amazing spices that don't just add flavor to your meals. They actively support your body at a cellular level. These are not trends. These are time-tested, science-backed ingredients that can make a real difference when used consistently. And once you understand how they work, you'll never look at your spice rack the same way again. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn could change the way you think about food, health, and healing, starting today. Powerful natural spices have been used for centuries, not just to enhance flavor, but to support the body in ways modern science is only beginning to fully understand, especially when it comes to protecting and repairing DNA while reducing inflammation at its root. Inside your body, every single cell depends on the integrity of its DNA to function properly, and yet that DNA is constantly under pressure from environmental toxins, poor diet, stress, pollution, and even normal metabolic processes. Over time, this constant exposure leads to damage known as oxidative stress, where unstable molecules called free radicals begin to attack healthy cells, disrupt DNA structure, and accelerate aging as well as the development of chronic diseases. This is where certain natural spices stand out, because they are rich in powerful bioactive compounds that help neutralize these free radicals and support the body's natural repair systems at a cellular level. One of the most fascinating aspects of these spices is their ability to activate internal defense pathways in the body, particularly those involved in antioxidant production and DNA repair mechanisms. Instead of acting like a temporary shield, they actually signal your body to become stronger from within, enhancing its ability to detect and fix cellular damage before it turns into something more serious. This is critical because DNA damage, when left unrepaired, can lead to mutations that disrupt normal cell behavior, potentially contributing to the development of diseases such as cancer. By supporting the enzymes responsible for repairing damaged DNA strands, these natural compounds help maintain cellular integrity and reduce the likelihood of harmful mutations forming over time. At the same time, these spices are incredibly effective at reducing inflammation, which is often described as the silent driver behind many chronic health conditions. Inflammation itself is not inherently bad. It is a natural response that helps the body heal from injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it starts to damage healthy tissues, interfere with normal cellular communication, and create an environment where disease can thrive. Many people live with low-grade chronic inflammation without even realizing it, experiencing symptoms like fatigue, joint pain, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system. The compounds found in these spices work by targeting specific inflammatory pathways in the body, helping to calm excessive immune responses and restore balance without suppressing the body's natural defenses. What makes these spices even more powerful is their ability to influence gene expression, a process known as epigenetics. This means they don't just protect your DNA from damage, they can also help control how your genes are turned on or off in response to different conditions. Certain compounds within these spices have been shown to activate genes that promote healing and protection while suppressing those linked to inflammation and disease progression. This level of influence is remarkable because it shows that the foods you consume on a daily basis can directly impact how your body functions at the most fundamental level. Another important benefit is their role in supporting detoxification processes within the body. Every day, your body is exposed to harmful substances that need to be processed and eliminated efficiently to prevent buildup and damage. These spices help stimulate the activity of detoxifying enzymes in the liver, allowing your body to break down and remove toxins more effectively. By reducing the toxic load, they indirectly protect DNA from further harm and create a cleaner internal environment where cells can function optimally. This is especially important in today's world, where exposure to environmental pollutants and processed foods is higher than ever before. In addition to their protective effects, these spices also contribute to improved immune function, which plays a key role in identifying and eliminating abnormal cells before they become a problem. A strong immune system is capable of recognizing damaged or mutated cells and removing them efficiently, reducing the risk of disease development. The natural compounds found in these spices help regulate immune responses, ensuring that the body remains vigilant without becoming overactive, which can lead to further inflammation and tissue damage. Their impact on cellular health also extends to improving mitochondrial function, which is essential for energy production within cells. When mitochondria are functioning properly, cells have the energy they need to carry out repair processes, maintain structure, and respond to stress effectively. By supporting mitochondrial health, these spices help ensure that your cells are not only protected from damage but are also equipped with the energy required to repair themselves efficiently. This creates a cycle of resilience where cells are better prepared to handle stress and recover from damage. Consistency is key when it comes to experiencing these benefits, as the effects of these spices build over time with regular use. Unlike synthetic treatments that often provide immediate but short-lived results, natural compounds work gradually to restore balance and strengthen the body's internal systems. Incorporating these spices into daily meals allows their bioactive compounds to accumulate and exert their effects continuously, creating a long-term protective environment within the body. This steady support helps reduce the overall burden of oxidative stress and inflammation, allowing the body to focus more on repair and regeneration. The simplicity of using these spices is what makes them so accessible and effective as part of a daily routine. They can be added to a wide variety of foods and beverages without requiring major lifestyle changes, making it easier to stay consistent over time. This ease of use removes many of the barriers that often prevent people from adopting healthier habits, allowing them to benefit from powerful natural compounds without feeling overwhelmed or restricted. Over time, these small, consistent choices can lead to significant improvements in overall health and well-being. The synergy between DNA protection, inflammation reduction, and overall cellular support highlights just how interconnected the body's systems truly are. By addressing these key areas simultaneously, these spices provide a comprehensive approach to health that goes beyond simply treating symptoms. They support the body at its core, helping it maintain balance, adapt to stress, and function more efficiently in the face of everyday challenges. Small daily habits with the right foods have a profound impact on long-term health, often in ways that are subtle at first, but incredibly powerful over time. Every choice you make, every meal you eat, and every ingredient you include becomes a signal to your body, influencing how it functions at the deepest level. Many people underestimate how much these small, consistent actions shape their future, believing that only big changes produce meaningful results. In reality, it is the repetition of simple habits that gradually rewires your biology, strengthens your systems, and determines whether your body moves toward health or disease. The body is constantly adapting to what you provide it, and food is one of the most powerful forms of information it receives. Nutrient-dense foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds send positive signals that support repair, reduce stress on the system, and enhance resilience. On the other hand, processed foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives create stress, trigger inflammation, and contribute to cellular damage. Over time, these opposing forces shape the internal environment of the body, influencing everything from energy levels and metabolism to immune strength and even mental clarity. One of the most important aspects of small daily habits is their cumulative effect. A single healthy meal may not seem significant on its own, just as one unhealthy choice may not cause immediate harm, but when these choices are repeated day after day, they begin to add up in a way that becomes impossible to ignore. Positive habits gradually build a foundation of strength, while negative habits slowly erode it. This is why consistency matters far more than perfection. It is not about making flawless decisions every single day, but about creating a pattern of behavior that supports your body more often than it harms it. When you begin to incorporate the right foods into your daily routine, you start to nourish your body at a cellular level. Cells require specific nutrients to repair damage, produce energy, and maintain their structure. Without these nutrients, the body struggles to keep up with the demands placed on it, leading to fatigue, weakened immunity, and increased vulnerability to illness. By consistently providing your body with what it needs, you create an environment where cells can thrive, repair themselves more efficiently, and function at their best. Another key factor is how these daily habits influence metabolic health. The foods you eat regularly affect how your body processes energy, regulates blood sugar, and stores fat. Balanced, nutrient-rich meals help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that lead to cravings, overeating, and energy fluctuations. Over time, this stability supports a healthier metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of metabolic disorders. These changes may not happen overnight, but with consistent effort, they become more noticeable and sustainable. Inflammation is another area where small daily habits play a crucial role. Chronic inflammation often develops gradually as a result of repeated exposure to unhealthy foods, stress, and environmental toxins. By choosing foods that have anti-inflammatory properties, you can begin to counteract this process and restore balance within the body. These foods help calm the immune system, reduce unnecessary inflammation, and support healing. When this becomes part of your daily routine, the body is better able to recover from stress and maintain a state of equilibrium. The impact of these habits also extends to gut health, which is closely linked to overall well-being. The digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms that play a vital role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. The foods you consume daily directly influence the composition of this microbial community. A diet rich in whole, natural foods supports the growth of beneficial bacteria, while a diet high in processed foods can disrupt this balance and lead to digestive issues and inflammation. By consistently choosing the right foods, you help create a healthier gut environment, which in turn supports better nutrient absorption and stronger immune function. Energy levels are another area where the effects of daily habits become evident. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you provide it with a steady source of energy that can sustain you throughout the day. This reduces the reliance on stimulants like caffeine and sugar, which often lead to temporary boosts followed by crashes. Over time, consistent healthy eating patterns help regulate energy production at the cellular level, leading to more stable and reliable energy without the ups and downs. Mental clarity and cognitive function are also influenced by what you eat on a daily basis. The brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function properly, and deficiencies can lead to issues such as brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and mood imbalances. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your routine, you support brain health and improve your ability to think clearly, focus, and stay mentally sharp. These benefits often develop gradually, becoming more noticeable as healthy habits are maintained over time. Another important aspect of small daily habits is their ability to build momentum. When you start making better choices consistently, those choices begin to feel more natural and less forced. This creates a positive cycle where each healthy decision reinforces the next, making it easier to stay on track. Over time, these habits become part of your lifestyle, rather than something you have to consciously think about. This shift is what allows long-term transformation to occur, as it removes the need for constant willpower and replaces it with automatic, supportive behaviors. These habits also influence how your body responds to stress. A well-nourished body is better equipped to handle physical and emotional stress, as it has the resources it needs to maintain balance and recover more quickly. Nutrient-rich foods support the production of hormones and neurotransmitters that regulate stress responses, helping you feel more stable and resilient in challenging situations. This not only improves physical health but also enhances overall quality of life. The simplicity of focusing on small, consistent changes makes this approach more sustainable than extreme diets or short-term fixes. Instead of trying to overhaul everything at once, you focus on making gradual improvements that can be maintained over the long term. This reduces the likelihood of burnout and increases the chances of lasting success. Over time, these small changes accumulate into significant improvements in health, creating a strong foundation that supports longevity and well-being. The power of these habits lies in their ability to influence multiple aspects of health simultaneously, from cellular function and metabolism to immune strength and mental clarity. By consistently choosing the right foods, you provide your body with the tools it needs to repair, protect, and thrive in an ever-changing environment. And now that you know how powerful these two spices truly are, the real question is, are you actually going to use them? Because knowledge alone doesn't change your health. Action does. The smallest daily habits, the simple choices you repeat every day, that's what shapes your future. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Just start small. Add these spices into your meals, your drinks, your routine. Let your body do what it was designed to do: repair, protect, and heal. Over time, those small steps can lead to powerful changes you can feel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple, science-based ways to take control of your health. And let me know in the comments, which of these spices are you going to start using today? Your health is in your hands, and sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. I'll see you in the next video.